In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Trump meme coins. And there are a couple of crypto platforms that allow you to buy Trump meme coins. And one of the most popular ones are Robinhood, Binance, Coinbase, and Phantom Wallet. And in this video, I'm going to give you a showcase with the app Phantom Wallet. So what you're going to do is you're going over to your app. So in my case, it's Phantom Wallet, but it can be Coinbase, Binance, Robinhood, or another app that allows it. So you click on your app, you log in, and of course you need to make sure that your account is all set up and you have all the rights to buy and purchase and sell certain coins. So when you have that, it is advisable to have another cryptocurrency, for example, Solana. And with Solana, you can buy the Trump coins. And I'm going to show you how this works. So let's go over to the search icon at the top right. And here we can see a lot of trending tokens at the moment, which are a lot of Trump coins, as you can see. Let's say you want to buy a coin. Let's say this one, Person of the Year. Or, well, let's go to the official Trump coin, actually. That is this one. And let's say you want to buy this coin. What you're going to do is you're going to click on swap, because you're basically making a swap to buy this coin. And you can make this swap with a currency you already have. So let's say you have Solana, then you can use your Solana to purchase some of the Trump valuta. And let's say I want to buy this. This is what I will receive. Please note that you will pay a fee and that there is a price impact on this transaction. And this is a high price impact. So when you want to buy this coin, you click on swap now, and this will be the same like in every other crypto platform. And when you click on swap now, everything will be processed and the Trump coin will be added to your account. So that's basically everything you need to know. When you follow every step in this video, you will be able to buy the Trump coin. And if this video helps you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.